National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Howard County in northeastern Iowa, northern Chickasaw County in northeastern Iowa, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ionia, or 9 miles northwest of New Hampton, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tennis ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Elma around 4:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Lilas Marsh County Park, Vernon Springs County Park, Saratoga, County Roads B33 and T76, County B17 and Bell Avenue, Maple Leaf, and Vernon Springs. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north central and northeastern Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Chickasaw and Howard. This is NOAA weather radio station KXI 60.